about giving us a use case in regards to Aerospike that you'd like to highlight for the community?
Well, I think an interesting one that we can all relate to is credit card fraud or transactional fraud. And our behavior in the marketplace, the way we use our credit cards or the way we transact business online happens in real time. You go online, you do something. And to put it in perspective relative to the scale today, we have a client who's I can't mention, but they do basically credit card transaction fraud. And when they started out with us about 5 or 6 years ago, the underlying data set was about 12 terabytes. Today, it's 200 terabytes. And in the split second, when they decide, you're at a Starbucks and you're saying, I want to buy a latte, and your card comes back and says, please remove your card. In that moment, in this case, 200 terabytes of data is available for the inference engine to make a decision, a split second decision in less than a second, as to whether the transaction is fraudulent or not. And the interesting thing that surprised even me was that in that window, this particular user of our technology does 250 database reads and writes so that the inference engine can be smarter and make a better decision in that split second. And you can apply that to all of these AI and machine learning cases where you're pushing the decision to the edge and you're dealing with, if you will, machine speed, machine scale to delight your constituency or to support your constituency or to improve the intimacy with your constituency, which we all know and love because in our personal lives, we use technology to talk to people, talk to things, talk to machines, and machine to machine is just as important. So that's an example of the scale that's happening out there in the world.
I think it's